Hello everyone, welcome to CGRA. Let's see how to mirror animations in Blender. So we have a simple animation here where the character leans towards the left and I want this particular animation to be mirrored to the right. It's pretty simple with Blender. So select all the controls and select all the keyframes that you want to mirror from the timeline. And now move to the keyframe where you want to mirror the animation. So I want to mirror it from this particular keyframe. So basically the character can move towards the left and then move towards the right. So select all the keyframes and hit Ctrl C, that is copy all the keyframes, and then paste the keyframes by hitting Ctrl V. Now you should see that keyframes are being pasted, but before anything, just please take a note of this particular small options box that appears when you paste the keyframes. But right now the animation is not being mirrored. Instead, it is just repeating. So let me just undo the paste keyframe option and redo the pasting. When I paste the keyframes again, you can see the options box appears again. So this time, check the flipped option here. This allows you to mirror the animation in the opposite axis. At the same time, there are multiple other options as well, which does various things, which is not accessible right now because that options box disappears in Blender if you just move on to the next step. So let me just undo and redo the paste keyframe options. So the default option is mix, which has both the animations here. It just blends with the existing animation. So first it moves towards the left and then it moves towards the right. It's pretty simple. But whereas there are other options as well to override the complete animation or override the animation in certain range of keyframes. So but these are just self-explanatory, so you can just go ahead and explore them on their own. So that is how you mirror animations in Blender.